So we turn it on by turning this switch back here, and then turn the emergency stop off and the green button. So we need both lights. We need the software to boot. Is there ways to make it go fast? Okay, so now to get the two lights, you press reset, and the two lights come on. Can you see those lights?
Yep.
Okay. Now the next step is we need to home the machine. So homing the machine is press Z reference. The top should go up. Y should come towards me, and X should go over there. Okay, origin, so we need our stock, we need parallels. Parallels go in here, we want to hang the stock over the edge here. There we go. Now, the edge finding tool into the machine. So we open the latch, hopefully it's in this. This goes in here, we tighten it down. 13mm wrench tightens it. Close and latch. Now we need to spin this at set about 1,000 RPM. So here we click in the box, we type in 1,000, and we press enter, and that'll take the green away, and then we hit forward. Now using the jog pad, first in X, and then in Y, and then in Z. Outer wheel to get it close, and then the inner wheel to bring it in until it jumps. Now that it's hit, we have to hit X0, but this is 0.1. And that now sets the X origin. We then bring it up, use the tool again to get it spinning true, and we now do the Y. Then we go 0, -0.1. And then stop. Now we 7. It's that tool. And this is tool 100. T100. That. We read the numbers, which is, and then for 100, if you look at 0 and 2, and it is 51. In the offsets, so we go to offsets. So we got to go to 1, so we can go 100. It'll bring you down to tool 100, and we need to make sure this number matches. So 651, and we got to press enter. 37, and make sure that number matches. 37601. Down, we go back to main. We have to type in here tool 100, because that's tool 100, and press enter. Can't be gold. And then bring this down. Until it reads 0, 2, and then press Z0. It's out. If it's tight, tap here, and it should fall out. Load tool 37. Go File, find your code, load G. There's your image, there's your code. Scroll down, and you want to make sure of these lines of code. T37H, G43H37, and cycle start. And put your hand over the emergency stop. I think we're good.